dreams under my pillow.
Yeah.
In the twilight of these white
It's been a minute now, so tell me where to begin. I meet a lot of girls, but they gon' treat me like a vegan. Another given Sunday, it's a given, I'll be dreaming. They say the flow goes so out of this world, really beaming. Up to Scotty, I can keep me down, believe me. I'm new to being hoodie, but I'm over being Steven. I'm sorry, mom, I really like my name, I swear I'd leave it. But a wise man told me I'd be smarter not to keep it, so I keep it. We get down, the only road I know is like the steepest now. And I'm on the outside, but they can't keep me out. Cause that's not the way that my life should be. I'm over on nights in a tight MC, no overall taste, but I might envy them few who just do like exactly what they told to. You are all my boys blue, I don't kick it old school. Told you that everyday Thanksgiving, that crazy flow. Living out my dreams, that ain't a place that I'ma trade it for. Put them dreams under my pillow. Put them dreams up, make it all cash. If I build it up, I can dream a little. I can dream big, I can dream fast. Put them dreams under my pillow. Put them dreams up, make it all cash. If I build it up, I can dream a little. I can dream big, I can dream fast. I can't decide in this life if I'm so obsessed with every 10 I see, like a titan. Vince Young and restless, homie, I need to fight it. I'm never indecisive, I'm Team Jacob, I'm never into biting. Your team wake up so alone, they never been invited to the places that I crash or the room I spend the night in. Fighting the urge to not splurge and play it cool. Amateurs on stage look something like a play at school. Drama led by a bunch of Mr. G's, wonder why they haven't taken off.